Hear that menacing noise outside? Sounds like a generator, not that menacing, but anyway. That's an old machine of mine that I made enough videos of, but it's been out of commission for a while. Don't get too excited, it's not the bendable Plymouth. Now I just gotta bolt this seat down better. Finish bolting up the hood and it's ready to go. Good stuff. I like it. Got that hood bolted down so it's not vibrating quite as bad. Have yet to put the pull cord on, but I'm gonna wait because the pull cord goes right through the hood, and knowing this thing, it'll break down as soon as I do that and I'll have to cut it back off again. But for now, it's working, and it's just as good as it ever was. Well, better now that the transmission is fixed. Good stuff.